You love birds?
A bird.
How many birds did you see outside?
2 birds.
2 birds. Do you love birds? Hey, Amelia, this way. Okay, goodbye. Can you say I love you again? Hello? Can you say I love you?
A bird. A bird.
Amelia,
I love bird.
you love birds? It's called birds. I like your shoe.
I love you. Shoot.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love your dog on your shirt. I love your doggy. It has a bow on its head. I love your shoe.
I love you.
I love you, Mommy. I love you, Amelia. Oh, baby talk. Okay. You're dancing? Yay! I love you too. Oh, you're singing Once Upon a Dream.